Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that sound not working on their iPhone after iOS 18 update. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Increase the ringtone and alerts. For that, go to Settings app, find and tap on Sound and Haptics. Here, increase the ringtone volume using the slider. Next, turn on Change with buttons. Now click on Text Tone and here make sure that Note Default is selected. Solution 2. Reset all settings. For that, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Tap on Reset all settings. Again, tap on Reset all settings to confirm this process. Solution 3. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Open Control Center on your iPhone. Next, tap on Focus. Check if Do Not Disturb is turned on or not. If it is turned on, turn it off. Solution 4. Check the ringer or silent button. If all these methods don't solve your problem, then check your ringer button on because your iPhone may be on silent mode. Use the ringer button to remove your iPhone from silent mode. This was today's video. Hope you liked and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.